and welcome from KiboPush. In this video tutorial, I'll explain how you can use Webview option provided by Facebook Messenger in KiboPush. Now, the Messenger platform allows you to open a standard web view where you can load web pages inside Messenger. This lets you offer experiences and features that might be difficult to offer with message bubbles, such as picking products to buy, seats to book, or dates to reserve. Webview can be set up for persistent menu, URL button inside a message, and default actions on generic templates like cards and lists. To open a web page in Webview, we must need to whitelist the domain first. The purpose of whitelisting the domain is to make sure that only trusted domains have access to users' information. I'm going to show how you can do this. Go to Settings from the main menu. Click on Whitelist Domains. Choose the page and enter a valid domain. The domain should start with a protocol identifier, HTTP or HTTPS. Click on Save. Okay, so I have whitelisted KiboPush.com for young readers. And if you're going to click on this cross button, it will be removed from the whitelisted domains. Next, I'll show how you can set up a web view on a URL button. Click on Broadcasting, select Broadcast, create a new broadcast. Choose a message component with buttons. It can be a text, a card, a gallery, a list, or a media. Click on Add button. Choose a title. Select Open a Web View. Enter your whitelisted domain and select a web view size, which can be compact, tall, or full. Click on Done. Click on Next. Choose your targeting and send the broadcast. Broadcast is received on my Messenger, and clicking on the button here opens the URL in a web view. Webview can also be set up as a default action on templates like cards and lists. For example, I have a card here and click on Add Action, select Webview, enter your whitelisted domain, enter Webview size, compact, tall, or full, click on Done, click on Next, and send the broadcast. Okay, so here Webview is available as a default action on card. Click on the card to view the URL in a web view. We can also set up a web view on a persistent menu. Click on Persistent menu from the main menu. It's under the Manage Pages. And here, select the page and set up a menu. Click on the menu item, select Open Website, choose Open a Web View, enter your whitelisted domain, select a web view size, and click on Done. Save the menu. Here you can see the persistent menu on Messenger. Click on the menu to open the web URL we've specified in a web view. So this was a simple process of setting up a web view on KiboPush. Stay connected to KiboPush. Have a nice day. Thank you.